Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is Flipper of Hope. ये आर्टिकल आपका दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल फॉर अस। ये आर्टिकल है जो आपका वैक्सीनेशन से रिलेटेड है। जितना हम एफर्ट लगाएंगे वैक्सीन लगाने के लिए जो जो हम देखो वैक्सीनेशन में ये बोला गया है कि जितना मतलब आदमी यहाँ पे वैक्सीन लगवाएंगे उतना ही जो थर्ड वेव आएगी ना उससे हम सिक्योर हो पाएंगे। और लास्ट में ये 6 मंथ में कितना डाटा हमारा कोविड-19 का आया है, कितनी डेथ हुई है, उसी को लेकर ये आर्टिकल आपका डिस्कस करेंगे हम एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। India's count of active COVID-19 cases has hit a 6-month low with the number dropping to 3,162 according to a Friday bulletin from the Health Ministry. Helped by the nearly 56 crore tests done so far, positivity rates or the percentage of those tested who turned out positive have also been showing encouraging trends. The weekly positivity rate has been less than 3% for the last 91 days and the daily positivity rate has been around 2% for the last 25 days. But this is no time to be complacent. Last December, active cases in India appeared to have peaked at a little over 10 lakh, after which there was a steady decline. Around December 20, it had gently descended to a little around 3 lakh, or the level seen today. Around the same time, the first reports of the critical trial successes of the Pfizer, BioNTech, Moderna, and AstraZeneca vaccine brought cheer. Even India's homegrown vaccine seemed to be around the corner, and all of these triggered an optimism that India may have passed the worst. The lack of alacrity in hunting for new mutations, underlying dangers, new variants meant that the insidious emergence of the Delta variant, which caused the catastrophic peak in April May, was only understood in hindsight. The nature of the virus, its propensity to evade antibodies, and the inevitable socialization that normal life entails means that there is no absolute nadir in a country's pandemic trajectory at which it can be sure that a fresh threatening wave will not rise again. The 3 lakh active cases last December saw around 300 deaths being reported every day. Even today, those numbers are fairly similar. While the spread of infection can be controlled in limited ways, the availability of vaccines and the fact that many large countries now are getting closer to having half their population inoculated with at least one dose means that the biggest threat as societies with the pandemic, severe disease and death is much more tractable than last year. Because crores of Indians have been vaccinated and government officials have optimistic projections that most adults will be vaccinated with at least a single dose by the year, and there is gain an air optimism. This time, however, the government messaging is more cautious, with warning that the second wave was yet to abate and recommendations of continued behavioral question. This is also accompanied by projections that say at its worst a possible third wave cannot be as catastrophic as the second wave peak, even accounting for significantly more infections and lethal variants suddenly emerging. Thus, to expand vaccination and track new variants are the only real ways forward. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपका आर्टिकल है। इसके बाद हमारी डिक्टेशन होगी कैलाश चंद्रा की @100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। ओके, और उसको डिक्टेशन को भी लेना आप। और ये डिक्टेशन तो आपके विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेली के लिए। अगर आप कोई भी डिक्टेशन नहीं लिखते हो तो इसको आप इग्नोर ना करें। आपका दिसंबर में आपका टेस्ट है एसएससी का, और आपके कोर्ट का भी एग्ज़ाम है, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा कोर्ट का। जो बच्चा प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है वो मुझे स्पेशल कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें कि सर हम कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, स्पीड नहीं बढ़ रही है, उसके प्रैक्टिस कैसे करूँ सर, आप मुझे बताइए। और बताने के बाद मैं आपको कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्दी से जल्दी आपकी स्पीड कवर करवा सकें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।